I'm Jeff Craig with McLean's RV in Oklahoma City. Let's talk Tiffin Cahaba. The Tiffin Cahaba is not your traditional RV. It is more of an adventure excursion machine. It's a four-wheel drive Sprinter chassis. The really cool thing about it is it has no generator. It's a lithium-ion battery pack. This happens to have the strongest battery system available, which is the Volta system. And this is an automotive grade battery with automotive connectors. And this gives you completely silent camping, as you're not going to bother your neighbors, you're not going to bother wildlife. This thing is silent. It also has the quiet air conditioner, which is run off the inverter and the Volta battery system. Let's talk about the Volta warranty. The Volta battery pack warranty on this is a 3-year limited warranty. It also has 8-year extended or 1,500 cycles, whichever comes first. On the heating side of it, it has a hydronic heating system, which is diesel powered. It handles your hot water and your furnace. And so that gives you extremely extended runtime on, because it's not propane, it's diesel. And it's very powerful heat, very powerful hot water with extended runtime, because it pulls off the same tank as the engine. So as we go around this coach, you'll notice up top, we had the lights on before. It has the accessory lighting system on it, which is great for boondocking and camping in the dark, because this is basically not designed to be at an RV campsite. This is designed to be out in the wilderness enjoying nature, and so it's got a lot of lighting on top so you can see what you're doing. This has off-road wheels and tires. It is four-wheel drive, but it still has the comforts of an awning. And this has the wind sensor awning on it by Girard. As you come around back, they put a lot of great accessories. This is the mole system, so you can hang things on it. Very, very versatile. You come around the coach. This is the back of the coach. It has soft doors. We'll put the doors down here in a minute, but the doors are up. It's basically tent doors. And in nicer weather, you can leave the doors open and enjoy a breeze through the soft doors. It does have a 5,000-pound hitch, rated hitch. It does have a 30-amp shore power, just like you'd find on any RV. And it comes with a full-size spare tire mounted on the back. This has complete roof access. This is a cargo rack up top. It also has 2 solar panels up there. This is a fixed ladder, but you can put a canoe up there. You can put storage, hard storage, soft storage, whatever you need to put up there. Those racks can handle it. And this is your sewer dump station. It has black tank flush. This is your T-handle for the black tank. This doesn't have a cassette. This has an actual black tank, like most RVs. It has a gray tank, black tank, and freshwater tank. And on all the Sprinter chassis, it's very easy to find out where your fuel tank is. You pull up right next to the driver's seat, which I always like that feature when I fill these. This is the upgraded chassis, 2022 chassis, and it's got the power seat controls, the bigger screen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Samsung CarPlay. When people go to these RVs, a lot of time they give up some of the safety features they're accustomed to in their regular vehicles. But this has lane departure, adaptive cruise control, all the things you're accustomed to having in your vehicle. It's on this because it's a loaded chassis. This has a 3-liter diesel, turbo diesel in it. These days, service on a Sprinter chassis is really easy to get, because Amazon and the U.S. Postal Service and others have bought hundreds and hundreds of thousands of these Sprinter chassis vans, so it's no longer considered an exotic chassis anymore. Parts and service are widely available on this chassis. This is a table bracket, which I think we showed you a picture of earlier. This is your refrigerator, stainless steel refrigerator with freezer up top. This runs on a 12-volt system. These are your awning controls, and I have ground effect lighting, which is very, very nice to have. Again, when you're out in the boonies, you cannot have too much light. You need light everywhere because it's just very hard to operate without it. Again, I have another soft door. We'll put this door down later so you can see what it looks like down, but we'll get to that here in a minute. You get a really nice big bathroom in this camper. A lot of these shorter Sprinter chassis vans, they have small bathrooms. This is a little bit bigger than you'll find in the others, and it has an actual black tank and gray tank, not a cassette. Spring loaded, privacy screen. Because it's an all-electric coach, you have a true induction range cooktop. And a decent sized sink. There you go. This back area is very versatile. We've showed you how this lays down and makes a bed all the way across, or you have two twins, and these are, again, like the doors, these blackout shades are, well, they're very effective. You just roll them up. But everything is simple in these coaches. They're campers. You have overhead storage in these cabinets. This air conditioner by my head is run off the Volta system, off an inverter. It's a 110 air conditioner, rooftop mount, and you'll get something like 8 to 10 hours off a full charge, without having to do anything else, and not having like a cloudy day like we have today where you're not getting solar. You'll get 8 to 10 hours. You get solar, you'll extend that time a little bit more when you have sunshine. This is your microwave oven, so you can cook basic meals in here. And as we move to the front of the coach, you do have the magic fan up top. The cockpit, again, we talked about this is the higher end chassis, so it's got the big screen with the navigation and all the features on it. And these seats do rotate around. So that's the Tiffin Cahaba. This is not really an RV, it's an excursion machine. And people that like to do things outside, this is the coach for you. Again, I'm Jeff Craig, McLean's RV, Oklahoma City. We have 4 other locations in the Dallas-Fort Worth area: Denton, Corinth, Fort Worth, and Rockwall. So please feel free to visit any of our locations.